Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to create map layouts in the Peoria County Front Desk GIS application. There are a number of tools available to users to create focused maps, allowing you to either print out a layout or export one as a PDF. We will start on the Peoria County Front Desk GIS application. You can access this application by going to gis.peoriacounty.gov or by typing Peoria County Front Desk into your search engine of choice. We will start by creating a basic map layout. To begin, you will first want to zoom into the area you would like to create a map for. Alternatively, you can search for an address by clicking the Search button at the top of the page. For this example, we will make a map of the Peoria County Courthouse. To create a map layout, click the Print button at the top of the page. This brings up the print window, as well as a yellow box on your screen. This yellow box shows you what part of the screen will be displayed on your map layout. Pan around and zoom in until your desired area is within the yellow box. In the print window, there are a number of options available for you to modify your map layout. First, you can give the map a title. We will name ours Peoria County Courthouse. You can use the Map Scale drop-down to manually control the zoom level of your map, although you can also control that by simply zooming in and out on the application. Next, you can choose the size of your map layout. The Front Desk application supports 3 paper sizes. 8.5 by 11 inches is the size of your standard piece of printer paper. You can also choose whether to make your map in portrait or landscape orientation. Finally, you have the option to include a legend on your map layout, which will list all of the layers that are included on the map. To view the resulting map layout, press the Print button. The resulting layout has a number of elements, including the title you made, the mapped area you set, a legend, a scale, and a disclaimer. From this screen, you have the option to send the layout to a printer or to save it as a PDF. This step will look slightly different depending on which browser you're using. There is one more option available to the user for your map layout if you have one or more parcels selected on your map. To select a parcel, click the Select button at the top of your screen, and then click on a parcel to select it. Going back to the print window, you can now see that there is another option, Data Table, available. By selecting this option, your map layout now includes a table with all the information about the selected parcel. If you have more than one parcel selected, as I do here, the table will look a bit different. Rather than having all of the information for the selected parcels, the table will instead only display the parcel number and address of the selected parcels. Now you know how to create a basic map layout. However, the Front Desk application offers numerous ways for users to customize their maps and to make them exactly how they want them. The first way is to customize the layers used on the map. To view the other layers on the map, click on the Map Layers button at the top of your screen. There are dozens of map layers available for you to explore, ranging from property information to administrative data to community-related layers. Additionally, this list allows you to turn off, reorder, and even adjust the transparency of all the layers on this map. For example, you may decide that the parcel labels are cluttering the map too much, and so you decide to turn them off. Additionally, for this example, I will turn on our road layers and our road labels in order to add some additional context. Additionally, by clicking the Base Map button at the top of your screen, you have the option to choose between the default Peoria County base map and a number of different base maps and aerial images for your map. For this example, we will use the 2019 aerial imagery. Finally, you may decide that you want to draw on the map to add some context or emphasize an area of interest. To draw on the map, click on the hamburger icon in the top left corner, and then click on Sketch. This opens up the Sketch window, which allows you to draw on and add text to the map. To draw a shape, click on this icon, and click on the map to add vertexes. Double-click to finish the shape. You can also control the color, transparency, and outline of your shapes. To add text, simply select Text, type in your desired text, and then click on the map to place it. Now, when we print the map, we will see all the customizations we made are now reflected in the layout. This concludes our tutorial video. In this video, you have learned how to create a map layout from the Front Desk GIS application, and how to customize your layout using different layers, base maps, and by sketching on the map using the provided tools. To view more tutorial videos for our web applications, please visit the Peoria County GIS website.